Hello Word Study friends. Welcome to This Week in Word Study's Word Study Test for Letter Feature P, Sort Number 9. This week you will have 10 words selected from your list, plus 2 curveball words. Please feel free to pause this video at any time to get caught up on your words. Here we go. Let's start with number 1. Your first word for this week's Word Study Test is election. I'm not sure who I'm going to vote for in the upcoming Student Council election. They are all very good candidates. Word study word 1, election. Number 2, discussion. My friends and I had a really good discussion at lunch today. Number 2, discussion. Number 3, connect. I am trying to connect my computer to my projector, but it will not work. Number 3, connect. Number 4, expression. Did you see the surprised expression on her face when we yelled happy birthday? Number 4, expression. Word study word number 5, direction. Which direction should I walk to get to the swings? Number 5, direction. Number 6, impression. He left a very good impression on me after the interview. Number 6, impression. Number 7, confess. I must confess that I did not finish my homework last night. Number 7, confess. Number 8, impress. When we're getting ready to go to the dance, remember to dress to impress. Number 8 is impress. Number 9, connection. When I first met her, we had a real good connection. Number 9, connection. And our last word study word for this week is direct. Can you please direct me to the closest bathroom? Number 10, direct. Let's go back through words 1 through 10, and then we'll have our 2 curveball words. Number 1, election. Number 2, discussion. Number 3, connect. Number 4, expression. Number 5, direction. Number 6, impression. Number 7, confess. Number 8, impress. Number 9, connection. And number 10, direct. Your first curveball word for this week, collection. We are taking up a collection for families that are less fortunate. Number 11, collection. And your last curveball word for this week, obsession. A lot of students have a serious obsession with the video game Fortnite. Number 12, obsession. That's it for this week in Word Studies test. Have a great week.